Andrea, pumpkin! Pumpkins? I'm not interested in pumpkins. I like strawberries. Wait for me.
Andrea, stop!
What happened, Uncle?
You need to wait for each other.
Sorry, Lily. That's okay, Andrea. Whew.
Now let's harvest strawberries.
I love strawberries. One more.
Yummy. Great job. Now let's get some tomatoes.
Okay.
Time to harvest some tomatoes.
I'm ready, Uncle.
Stop, Andrea. Don't get the green ones. They're not ripe yet. Get the red ones.
Got it, Uncle. Tomato. Ooh.
Now let's get some cherry tomatoes.
Uncle, I'll get the purple one.
No, Lily. It's not ripe yet. Get the red one like this.
Okay, Uncle. Wow.
Look at that.
That's cool. Can we try, Uncle?
Sure, try it.
Go, go, go!
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow.
It takes a little over 50 days to harvest a beet.
I have one too.
Let's go to a different area of the farm.
Okay. Now let's feed the alpacas. Oh.
Did you know alpaca only have teeth at the bottom row?
Here you go. Aww. So cute.
The hens don't lay eggs until they're 6 months old. Time to collect some eggs from the chicken coop. Uh-oh, no eggs here. Oh, there's 2 eggs right here.
Uncle, there's more eggs here. And more here, Uncle. We have a lot of eggs today.
Now let's visit the pig named Love.
Hi, Love.
Love is super smart. Watch. Love, turn around.
Wow.
Now play a song.
Good job, Love. Yay. Awesome. Whoa. Uncle, the sunflowers are so beautiful.
Sure are. The flowers are beautiful, but you can also harvest the seeds once it's done. Trust me, it's a very good and healthy snack.
Ooh, nice.
This is a teddy bear sunflower. It's different from the other sunflowers because it's all yellow.
That's cool.
Lovely.
Whoa. Look at that one. It's so big.
Wow.
What's this veggie, Uncle?
This is kale. Kale can actually grow really well in the winter.
Wow, I didn't know that.
And it's the same family as broccoli too.
Uncle, I got some grapes over here.
Nice job, Andrea.
Thank you, Uncle, for showing us around the farm today. We learned a lot.
I'm glad you like it. Being around the farm and close to nature is really good for you. Now who wants to get more strawberries?
Oh, chips. I want this one. Flash! Huh? I have electricity power.
Minecraft creeper? Ah!
I don't know what you're trying to say! Huh? Huh? My teddy bear! My chair! My bed!
Someone needs help. Help, Emma.
The creeper turned my stuff into blocks! Huh? My pillow!
You're on timeout.
Let's go. Thank you, Ellie!
Timeout for you for making a mess. Why are you so sad, Emma?
My things are still blocks.
I think I could help.
Wow! Can you also do the bed?
No problem.
Thank you, Ellie. You're welcome.
I don't know what you're saying.
This playground isn't made for a creeper. He might break it.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh, my jumper. What happened, Charlotte?
The creeper broke my jumper.
I think I could help.
It's working! Whoa, Spider-Man! Ellie, you're back!
Don't worry, I'm ready to help. All done.
Whoa, you did it, Ellie!
Welcome.
Do you want to play with me?
Yes, of course.
Thanks, Ellie!
You're welcome.
Look at my axolotl! It's so cute! Ah, creeper! Oh no!
What happened?
Our playhouse! We need help rebuilding our house.
Okay. It's too heavy.
Come on. Almost.
I need my superpowers. Which one do we choose? Hulk gives me strength. I think it's working. I'm turning green. I'm not Hulk.
Ellie! What happened?
I thought I was getting Hulk powers.
Don't worry, Ellie. We'll figure this out. Come on. Let's fix it. Ellie, hold this piece.
Like this?
Yeah. Keep it up. We're finally done. He's back. What does he want? He doesn't seem too bad.
Maybe he just wants to play with us.
Really? Creeper, do you want to play with us? What if we built him his own house? Yeah.
I can help. Let's do this.
Good job, Ellie. You want to try the house? Yay, it worked!
I'm back to normal.
Yay!
Let's play.
Okay.
Drink water, kids.
No, thank you.
Maddie, drink some water.
No, thank you.
Drink water, kids.
No, thank you. Did we lose him? I think so.
Here I am. Here, Ben, drink some water.
No, thank
Wait. Ben, wait up. You need to drink water. Gotcha. Drink some water, please.
You leave me in 3 challenges. I'll drink water.
You're on. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! I win! All right, Ben, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! All right, let's check our times.
Yeah, I win. That means I don't have to drink water. See ya. Aw, let me try again.
Ben, maybe you should drink some water.
I'm okay.
Yeah, you got this.
I don't know why I keep missing? Why is it so hot? I know, I need something to drink.
Remember, Ben, drinking water is good for you.
Oh, I feel better.
All right, Ben, are you ready for the final soccer test? Whoa! Ah! Great job, Ben!
I did it, Uncle.
Great job, Ben!
I guess drinking water is good for you after all.
Time for water! Huh? And you?
No, thank you.
Wait, kids! You need to drink water! Kids? Where'd you go? You need to drink water! I wonder where they could be. Found you!
Hope he doesn't find me here.
Found you! I guess it's time for you to drink water now.
How about this, Uncle? If you find us in hide and seek, we will drink water. Good idea, Ben.
You're on! 10, 9, 3,
Uncle finds us.
2,
Okay.
1. Ready or not, here I come. Come out, wherever you are. I think I know where they are. Gotcha! Huh? They're not there.
That was a close one.
Yeah.
You go that way, I go this way.
This should be good. I know where to hide. Maddie? I was here first. Go hide in the closet. It's scary.
Good job, Maddie.
Kids, where are you? Where could they be?
My bed. I really want it.
Where could those kids be? Found you! Nice hiding spot, Maddie, but you moved. Now where could Ben be? Found you! Time to drink your water.
Maddie, you gave away my spot.
A deal's a deal.
Yeah, Uncle.
I hope they drink something.
Water's good. Thanks, Uncle.
Like this plant. If you give it water, it'll grow.
Whoa.
So what did we learn today, kids?
Drinking water is good for you. Green.
Ellie, where did you go?
Whoa. Amazing.
So many colors. Grass and leaves, frogs and peas. What color am I?
Huh? Ooh. Grass leaves. It's green. Super duper. Yes. I got the key.
Hooray! Hurry! Oh, I'm back!
What? Maybe it's one of these. Wow! Ooh!
What do I do?
Over there!
Oh! The ocean, the sky. What color am I?
Blue!
Arby's! That's not the color blue. No, not green.
Found it!
Let's try the fall.
Super fun!
I found something. No, not red. I found two. Now for the slime.
I see it! Amazing!
Yes, I got it.
Yes! I got the cookie!
purple, green, sort it out, and keep it clean. Oh, okay.
Wait. No. Wait. No. Wait.
Huh?
Emma, let's match the color.
Oh, I got it. The pink ball goes in the pink bucket, and the blue goes in the blue.
That's correct.
Purple. Huh?
No fair.
Pink. Huh?
It's okay, Emma. Concentrate.
Okay, I got this. Pink. Green.
Yay!
Huh? Oh, I have a key.
Emma, hurry. Uncle.
Shirley!
Don't touch it.
Uncle!
Kids!
Oh! 10 is perfect, neat, and small. Can you count and toss them all? What does that mean? Oh, we need to put 10 in the bucket.
10? We got more than 10 in here. Oh, here we go.
I don't think we got it.
Here we go again.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6,
8, 9, 10.
Yeah! What? I'm back here again!
I'm free!
Yeah! Come on, let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Huh? What happened?
Sorry.
Come on, Ellie. Let's go. Uncle, time out.
Oh no! Huh? What happened? We ran out of noodles. Ah, wait here. Yay, we got noodles. Hey, your noodle, Auntie Beth.
Thank you. There's a spider.
What?
I can't eat this. Ew. Your restaurant has spiders and spider webs.
Uh-oh.
That was really bad service. I will not come back.
Let's clean up. Oh no, we have nothing to clean up. Yeah. Ah, I'll be back, Maddie.
Looky, I still got one more box. Oh, I need the tape.
Lucky me. Huh? This?
I got it. What? Where's my box? Who could have took them? I gotta make sure that nobody can ever take them again.
Maddie, I got the box. Cool. Let's clean up. Done.
I'm so hungry.
Welcome to my restaurant. Please sit down. Thank you. We have delicious food. Look.
Ooh, interesting. I'll get one fish and one orange juice, please.
Coming right up. Maddie. Got it. Here's your orange juice. Thank you. No more plates? Hayden, I need help. Got it.
Lucky for me, I still have one more box. Hello? So give me a moment. I'm checking to see if there's like shipping days. See, I'm looking for something that's Again? I'm gonna find out.
Maddie, I'll go to walk. Oh yeah! Here you go.
Ooh, thank you. Hold on. Everything's burnt? I can't eat this.
Wait!
What happened?
I can make a new one for you.
Okay.
Here's your fish.
Ooh. Delicious.
What? Those are my boxes.
Oh no. Maddie! What? I'm busy, Kaden.
Aha.
Uh-oh. Hi, Uncle Lou.
Your food is delicious. I'll be back. Wow, this restaurant is so good. I need to call my friends. Hello? You need to come right away. The best food in town.
Did you use my boxes for your restaurant? Can't believe it. Both of you, time out. Really? They used all my boxes to make this? I can't believe it.
Sorry, Uncle.
All right, kids, timeout's over.
I'm back. And I brought more customers with me. Look.
This is a long line, but we closed this business. Sorry.
What? I've been waiting for this. Yeah, me too. I'm excited.
Hold on a moment. This business is doing really well. Can we work together?
Yay!
Let's do it. Come on.
Yay! I want fish.
I'll get it right away.
I'll take one of those. Same.
Noodles, please.
Coming right up. Here you go. I can't believe it. This business is actually really successful.
Yeah, Uncle.